Hello and welcome. So would you mind starting by introducing us with your name and the company that you work for?
Hello, I'm Catherine Bianchi and I'm a marketing manager at Saint-Gobain Life Sciences.
Is it your first time here at Pharmapack?
It's the first time as exhibitors, but I've been visiting the show for 6 years already.
And what is it that you're showcasing at Pharmapack this year?
What we are showcasing is the large breadth of product that we provide for the pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical industry. So what we are doing is single-use systems. We are producing a large breadth of components from tubing, filter, connectors, bags. And what we are doing with that and external component is making fine-tuned assemblies for specific application in biopharmaceutical industry.
And what is it about Pharmapack and your company that's particularly brought you here today?
We have decided to be in Pharmapack as exhibitor because Pharmapack is much more about pharmaceutical packaging, so one step beyond what we normally do, because generally we end up at the fill finish step when the drug manufacturer have their final drug and they put that in the final packaging, and we are just one step before. And we thought that it would be a good perspective from our point of view and maybe from the audience of Pharmapack to see someone just at the frontier but slightly different from what they see usually at Pharmapack.
So looking forwards, what does the future look like in terms of sustainability for your company?
Sustainability is very important. We see that as a growing trend. It's also at the heart of what Saint-Gobain is doing, because the company has taken the engagement to be net zero carbon in 2050. And so naturally our division has started this journey about sustainability. So we are in the phase where we are identifying the needs of our customer. And so far the main trend that we focus on are the decarbonization and the circular economy. We're doing that by obviously working on our internal processes and also being part of a professional organization like Bioforum. And by the way, we have our sustainability manager giving a talk today at Pharmapack.
Fantastic. Well, we wish you luck with the rest of the event and thank you very much for talking.
Thank you very much.